On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
I think we're fixed. Whoa, who turned on the lights? I turned the brightness up on my camera. I think I look handsomer. What do you guys think? Look at this. Look at this mug. Look, you can see the silver. Oh yeah, that's called, I don't even have a child yet. My God. Did everybody just buy? I just bought 10 grand worth of 10 grand? I can't even count anymore. I think 10 grand. Was it 10 grand or was it 5 grand? Now I gotta, oh man. Oh man. What's going on, guys? Holy, are we gonna get a V-shaped recovery? Are we gonna get a V-shaped recovery? Come on, tell me, guys. We're gonna get a V-shaped recovery. Hoo-wee. Hoo-wee. All right, let's see who's in the chat here. We're coming on early. We got 18 people. You're so old. FD White, my man. Army Piper. The Cut. Otter Gang, gang, gang. Crypto Degen. Hope all is good with all the otters out there. Little technical difficulties. It's all good, bro. Do your thing. That's the one, man. That's it, man. I got like a USB extension. So it has like 5 USB extensions into one port. And I think it's malfunctioning. We'll use that word. I might have to order another one. But we'll be all right. Correct? Correct. I think we'll be okay. What do you guys think? You guys let me know. Are we going to be okay, or are we just going to just cry here? We're gonna sit here and cry. We're gonna do some math here. I just bought. I gotta do some math here, guys. I gotta do some math here. I don't know how much injective I just bought. I think I bought 10 grand, but I'm not sure. It's only Canadian dollars, guys. It's only Canadian dollars. Let's go to the main. So you guys could do math with me. We all like math. I just bought. Okay, let's do some math here. Okay. 38. Come on, calculator. 38 plus 31 plus 18 plus 11. No, plus 12 equals 99 times $50.46. Okay, I just bought 5 grand worth of injective. See? There we go. Now I can put $5,000 here. This is kind of like my not how I do it. I got a spreadsheet, guys. I got a spreadsheet, but I like having this so I can show you guys where I'm buying on the charts. Whew. Guys, what a dip, man. Did you guys buy the dip? Did you guys buy the dip? I want to know. All I see is deals, right? FD. FD, I mean, guys, change your mindset, man. This is Boxing Day, man. This is Boxing Day. Don't get it twisted. This is Boxing Day. Break a structure. Okay, we could be coming lower, but this is Boxing Day. Sheesh. What a beautiful job. What a beautiful community. Guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, is there a dump song? Is there like, you got to dump it up, you know, dump it up, you got to dump it up? Is there a dump song? I googled, if this is inappropriate. Yeah.
Money printer been running too hot. The Fed just pumped it and coincidentally sold at the top.
I'm frozen.
Transitory story disregarded the warnings. That M2 money chart be looking like a jack in the box. Got the CPI hot, got the PPI hot. Yield curves invert, then the bubble gonna pop. Is it ever gonna drop? JP's gotta face the noise. Stage fright, rate hike, few basis points. Inflation major pain, better make the choice. The Fed talk, spread hogs, better raise them boys. The game deployed the same and the aims avoid that in the plebs win. So we remain employed. Every day's the same. Wake up and I check if the Fed gon' pivot. Is it over? Cause I'm wrecked. We got Kathy writing letters, losing all respect, and my ledger's getting heavy like a noose around my neck.
People are like,
spread mass terror, a real ass terror. 3 arrows in the back, that's a bad debtor. Hope you pack mad snacks and your black sweater. Sub-zero flow, that's some bad weather. I bet you never expect Tether to better protect. Cheddar the best investment in retrospect. Whether you're in B.
all right, I've had enough of this. Okay. What's going on, guys? My camera's acting all funky and fresh. However, it doesn't really matter. We're here. What's going on? Crypto Wanderer, stuff I like, Trap Money, Benny. What's going on? French Toaster, Paper Beats Rock, King Kush in the chat. What's going on? Louis Silo Floors, what's going on, man? Who wouldn't buy a 10K drop? Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. What's going on? Jeet Corp, the Cut Otter gang. We out here, man. Army Piper, we're going to be taking over that Piper Academy. Let's go, because knowledge is profit. Let's go, guys. Let's go, man. So I just bought another 5K of injective. Here's how I can show you. I could show you this. Oof. There it is. There it is. Injective. Okay. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. We buy more. Okay. I don't mind showing. I'll show you mine if you show me yours. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Okay. You got to get those lower averages, Sonny. What's going on? Justin Eubanks in the chat as well. Much love to all you guys. We be making them bank. And we had a couple trade setups this morning. We had a Solana one. I mean, some of these guys, we said be careful out there. You know, you got to be a little bit careful. You can't be doing. Oof. Oh man, Solana. Oh man, you came all the way back down to 100. Oh my God, Solana Bobana. Sheesh. Why not? Why not? You want to buy a dip? This is a good dip, man. This is a good dip. We were 69,000. We were down at 62,500. Guys, this is a major $6,000 dump. Holy shit. $6,500. We are down. We are bouncing around. We're back in the range that we were trading from before. What will we do? What will we do? What will we do? Will we panic sell? Nah, we're utter gang, man. We got those diamond hands. However, remember, diamond hands just implies that we have a plan to sell eventually. Maybe not with Bitcoin, but with other things. Guys, please just smash that like button and throw an alt in the chat. I will get to your altcoin. And I can look at some pullback levels for you guys. It looks like we are recovering a little bit here, but you know, we've broken structure to the downside. So this is okay. So what do I mean by a break of structure? So we can see that we have been astronomically to the upside. Okay. Okay. This is pretty cool. We cannot have imagined a better past 2 months. Okay. We go into the monthly here. We go over to these. Right? Sheesh. All right. 48% in 2 months, guys. 50% in 2 months. This is absolutely crazy, okay? Absolutely crazy. Now, okay, Bonk, I see you, Bonk. And we'll definitely be looking at whatever you guys want to look at. This is absolutely crazy. Now, we weren't expecting this aggressive of a sell-off. I'm going to be straight with you guys, as I always am. And we did have some trade setups this morning. Okay, so if you aren't part of our Discord is king. We had some key buying levels before we broke the all-time highs here. It did come back down, but not totally to our first one. And then it broke all-time highs. And then it literally dumped on our heads, okay? Solana breakout trade. Guys, this actually hit the first take profit. So for me, if you took this trade, you would have been in profit. Your stop loss would have been an entry. You would have been okay. All right. Ethereum, our target was 38.47. We'll revisit that as well, okay? We'll take a look at Nearcoin for you. We're also going to take a look at Rune as well for my friend, Mr. Besser. He won't be here today, but he said, hey, Alex, do you mind looking at Rune for me later in the live stream? I'm going to be home late, but I would appreciate your outlook on Rune. You guys can message in here, and I'll take a look at whatever you guys want. I mean, you're front running the live streams, which I appreciate. I appreciate you guys. So pretty sweet. Let's go over and let's take a look. So we got this push up. Now, what do I mean by break of structure? What we were talking about from before. Well, higher lows, higher highs, all this stuff. Now, we do have a very good trader in our Discord named Brewberry TA, and he is very, very keen on his, supply demand zones, ICT, breaks of structure. So if you ever want to learn a little bit of this stuff, see break of structure, supply, demand, right? You can join him. He does a live on Sundays, and all for free, my man. So we can see that we have broken structure from here, right? So we have broken through. This means that we could get a potential reversal, blow off top reversal, right? So we got to watch here because we could be looking for something like this, right? Don't get all bullish again. Let's wait for the dust to settle, okay? That's very important, especially after, I mean, a $7,000 sell-off. If you're including wicks, this is a 10K dump, okay? Look at that, $10,000 dump. That's insane. And of course, we could have said, you know what, bearish divergence, perfect sell. Look at this. We got a higher high and a lower low, and we got a bearish. Guys, it's the environment we're in. We're not typically looking for these tops, are we? Okay, so if you got into this, congratulations. I mean, there's been opportunity. When you broke the structure here, there was an opportunity, right? Break of structure here, continue downwards, right? Taking out this low here. Taking out this low here. So there's been opportunities, right? But like FD White just mentioned, which is true, if you eat this much, man, if you at the all you can eat Mandarin buffet, man, you gotta go to the bathroom eventually, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, you guys know what I mean. So okay, seems like this is held. So we're right back in here. We could have pulled a naked point of control. You could have saw, oh, we could come back and touch this. We dropped way down here. We grabbed a lot of liquidity. Speaking about liquidity, let's take a look at these liquidations. Guys, this is going to be good. It's going to be within the last 4 to 8 hours, too. Let's take a look here. Whew. All right. I see you guys. Now, none of you guys got liquidated, did you? We got 56 people here and only 17 likes. What's going on with that, man? I thought we were all friends. You know, free channel, not charging anything, you know, just asking for likes. That's okay. That's okay. So, 4 hours, longs wrecked, $534 million. Sheesh. Almost 900 million in the last 24 hours. That is absolutely bonkers, guys. 400 in the last hour. 400 in the last hour. Jeez. Louise. People over leveraged on Doge, Link, XRP, ADA, Solana. Jeez. Got wrecked on DOT. I'm sorry to hear that, Diamond Alchemy. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, it's not a lot of people were thinking we were going to blast right through that all-time high, right? All-time highs. Price discovery, right? Price discovery is fun. We could do some price discovery targets for you guys if you'd like. I'm just using our trend-based fib analysis so we can see where we're looking to go. But yeah, this isn't looking too good. Let's go over to the 12-hour. Okay, the daily. Yeah, very engulfing. Very engulfing. Now, if we do pop back up here, like we still got 3.5 hours, guys. 3.5 hours. If we close above the previous candle, which is 63,179. How do I know that? How do I know that? Well, I put my cursor over the candle, right? And then I look up here, okay? This will tell you. Look, see this up here? Open, high, low, close. Open, 63,179. High, 68,686. Low, right? It'll tell you all the information of the candle up here. I hope you guys know that. You guys should know that, right? So the open was 63,179. So if we bounce back up here and we fail to engulf this candle, we could have some hope, okay? That's my only hope, is that we get up and we close at least above 63,180, let's call it, okay? 180. All-Star Auto Group Incorporated said, give Alex O a like if you haven't, or leave. You've been warned, okay? I have a specific set of skills. So we'll see if we can bounce back up to that level. That's going to be critical for us to at least consolidate, okay? At least consolidate before maybe a move up. But we know there's buying pressure. We know that this is a good liquidity grab. We know that, you know, they're buying 12 times the amount being produced every single day. Okay, it's not that I'm not bullish, okay? I'm aware-ish, okay? I'm aware-ish of what's going on. So, big liquidity grab, massive move. We'll have to see what we get to. So, what's on our side to the upside? We got the 2-day. Red dot crossing over the 0 line. Could be pushing down. However, money flow is very thick. 3-day. Money flow is absolutely parabolic, okay? Coming to the 0 line. If we get a 0 line crossover, which we might because of this drop, this is buying opportunities, okay? We wait for the flattening of the VWAP and the reset, okay? Just like we had from before, where we got this beautiful trigger, front run, massive, massive move, okay? This is such an amateur rug pull. I am disappointed. BTC hasn't matured more, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, we don't expect these kind of dips, right? We don't expect these kind of dips. We got the Darth Maul on the 3-day, right? We would hope that we could have less, you know, 10K dump is unacceptable, but welcome to Bitcoin, Grandma. Welcome to Bitcoin, Grandma. So, in anticipation of topping, we need to be prepared for this stuff, right? So, the weekly is now looking like a Darth Maul candle. We could push back up, which could be, you know, this squeeze. Now, how can we find evidence of how this happened before? Now, for me, it's to go back. I think the best evidence is in 2017. Okay, so let's go back to 2017 and take a look. This is a bit of a longer stream, guys. Normally, we're live at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. However, a lot of people just got wrecked, okay? A lot of people just got wrecked or didn't see this coming. So let's expand 2017, okay? So 2017, May. Look at this beautiful bull run, okay? Wee-haw, all right? Okay. 2017. What do we got here, guys? So this is how Bitcoin has matured. You raised me up. Okay, sorry, I went there. Look at these pullbacks, guys. This is called shake out what your mama gave you, okay? Now look at this. This is a break of structure as well. Look, break of structure, lower low, right? How much percent do you think this is? Get that garbage out of here. That's 30%, guys. That's 30%, guys, okay? Even if we look at this candle here, this is the daily candle, okay? The daily. 15%, guys. Look at this thing. Look at this. I don't know what this was. 27%, okay? Even on the parabolic rise, you can see here, they can't just let everybody just press buy, okay? Look, 10%. These are daily candles, right? Daily candles. Massive. Look at this. 3 days in a row of pumping. Look at that. 21%, okay? Look at this one. Holy shit, look at this one. Another 20%er. And then a dump. Now the dumps come faster, right? The rug gets pulled, the dump comes faster, okay? Momentum is created upside. Dumps are normally quick, you know? You ladder up, you take the elevator down, right? So going back to where we are now, we've hit the ETF, okay? Happy days. Happy, happy days. We have the halving coming up, okay? Look at this crazy parabola. I was having too much fun, guys, okay? I apologize, okay? We have this parabola, okay? Can we get shaken out? Well, we're going to be tough, right? We're going to be tough. We got to be tough. We got to be tough in this environment, right? We have a conservative target of $200 or $105,000. Okay, conservative. That's crazy, right? Crazy. Alex O Crypto, you're a moon boy. My actual target's 212,000. Now, if you haven't watched it, there's a couple prediction videos on my channel, on other people's channel. I'm sticking to my guns, okay? Guys, look what's in front of us, okay? Just zoom out and look at this, okay? We got 3 white soldiers. Bang, bang, bang. Indecision candle. We got the halving coming April 20th, okay? We got ETH ETFs on the horizon. We have the US election, guys. And we're early right now. Guys, this doesn't typically happen until over here. Okay? So, we're very, very lucky to even have this exposure. And this is a lot of ETF-driven FOMO, right? ETF-driven FOMO. Now, what did we say for the close? We said that we need to get above here. 180, right? I can't spell today. So that's where we want to get above so we don't have a bearish engulfing candle. Will we get there? We got 3.5 hours to get there, okay? We'll see what goes on with that. And we'll flip through Market Cipher now as well. 12 Big Dow, what's going on, my brother? Good to see you, bro. Hi, Sierra. What's going on, man? So, we got to see if this continues. You gotta see if this continues. 10K dump. Wow. Okay, so red dot, green dot, red dot. Okay, downwards price action. VWAP below the 0 line. This looks like it wants to continue down. Money flow is the contrarian to this point of view, but we can see that, you know, we have very aggressive posturing to the downside right now for good reason. For good reason, okay? So it's to be very aware, right? Like, what is your plan, right? Your Besser, what's going on, man? We're a bit early today because of the dump. We wanted to be here for our friends. We're gonna take a look at Rune coin for you. Maybe I'll do that first after the Bitcoin TA and the little bit of hopium I can give you guys, right? Okay. Flipping through here to the 20 hour, you know, you can see the posturing here on this 12, 16, and 20 hours. Okay, so I typically like to break these down into threes. 12, 16, 20, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not threes. That's 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 5, 6, and 8. Sorry. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. These are my money makers. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And then we got our lower term time frames. But when we break these down, these sort of medium times, these are long, right over here. This time frames, these medium time frames, they all look like they're printing red dots and they want to reset, right? So this is looking like come Thursday, Friday, we could be getting some bullishness out of these, right? Because we'll probably get 1, 2, so 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. So yeah, 4 days, 4 more candles gives us an opportunity for 4 more prints where we can look for that VWAP crossover, right? So we try to project where we can go, right? 12-hour red dot curving down 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we could be posturing to the upside in about 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 days. Okay, so just kind of getting an idea of where we think we can go. But this is good to happen. Okay, this is not a bad thing, guys. This is good because what we can see is that as we continue downwards, if we do get that rejection, we definitely get a buying opportunity, guys. Okay, we get a buying opportunity, which is very important, right? Because tomorrow, my friends, we do have something, okay? Do you guys know what it is tomorrow that's coming up? I think you guys know. You guys are pretty informed here. Mr. Pow Pow has got a testimony. Fed Chair Powell testimony. That's at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, guys. So, and JOLTS, so job openings, right? So tomorrow should be a very interesting day. He's going to testify. What a tune. What a tune. He's going to testify. So all these people who are over leveraging, thinking they've just pressed buy and win, well, they ain't going to give it to you that easy. What's going on? Lunar Beach is crypto in the chat. Much love to you. Hope you're doing well, my brother. You beautiful, handsome, blonde-haired, bearded man, you. Bullish Bradley is in here as well. What's going on, my friend? What's going on? We came on early. Alex Pow, 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 Alex Pow, 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 boom, 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 boom. Oh man. So what are we looking at for? Do you guys want to trade this crazy price action? This is where I don't participate, guys. This is I don't hang out with these people with these 10K moves to the downside. Unless we caught the top, which we did it. I can't stop yawning, guys. Am I boring you? I'm probably boring my damn self. We need some music. We need some music. What do you guys think? Are we allowed to put it on repeat? Rolling with Bob Saget. Let's go. All right. We dump it again, guys. We can just watch the 5-second chart. Is that what you're into, guys? You want to watch some crazy market cipher? Watch the 5-second chart, guys. Oof. Okay, you guys gotta let me know what altcoins you want me to look at. I got Bonk. What else did I see? Bonk. Bonk, ba-bonk, bonk, bonk. Boom, 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 boom. And Near. And Bonk, Near, and Rune. Bonk, Near, and Rune. Near, far, wherever you are. I gotta let you guys know though that no. I was driving today. No was calling us for we're going way high. We hit all-time high, 69,000.
Wow.
You were right.
See, I told you. Yeah. Hey.
He told you. Hey, Granddad.
They will see.
Look.
They will see everything. Hey.
We hit all-time high. I took him to the construction dump today.
Whoa.
You were right.
See, I told you. Yeah. Hey. Oh.
Hey.
What a legend. What a legend. So we came back up, we touched that level, and we've dumped back down. Look at this, staying within this area. This doesn't look good, in my opinion. This is a very, very crazy shakeout, in my opinion. Yeah, so we wait for the dust to settle, my friends. The dust must settle, okay? Okay, so bonk. Rune. Near. UMA. Super. None, please, says Dread Mining. Okay. Caspa. Okay, I haven't seen Caspa pop up in a while. All right. Yo, bullish on parade. What's going on, man? What's going on, Rooster? Stuff I like. Can you apply TA to dumps like this? Absolutely. Absolutely. So if you wanted to find this wick, let's say you wanted to find this wick. Let's say you want to catch this wick that we just got, this massive dump, right? Okay. How would you get this? You want to grab a fib, right? Looking at this to me looks like a fib from somewhere over here to somewhere up here, 786. What's the bet? That's just eyeballing. Okay, let's do it. Let's go on a shorter term time frame so I can get a wick here. So let's get a wick down here. This is the one. I can see the wick. Can you guys see the wick? This is the wick right here. You see this wick? That's the one, right? We're going to pull the fib from swing low to swing high. Let's see if we're good. Let's see how good we are. Are you guys ready? Dun, 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 dun. Do-do-do. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. I'm here all week. I'm here all week. Monday to Friday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Fucking hell, that's crazy. Sorry, guys. I'm off by like $2. Sorry, yeah. I was off by $20. $30 I was off by. Sorry. That's just a regular fib, but trend-based fib extensions. I love trend-based fib extensions. I love that shit. So for Bitcoin, we want the dust to settle. We want to see it hold this support here and get above this for the close. We don't know if it will. Right now, I expect it to just settle right now within this volume area, right, and put in some more choppiness. I don't think we see more of a dump. This is a pretty bought-up wick you can see down here, liquidating a lot of people. I expect more choppiness than anything. If we don't close above this 63,200, then I see us being a little bit more bearish and probably a cool down and a continuation downwards. We'll have to wait and see if this is a sell event, okay? Very nice take of the highs, okay? I believe we've taken the all-time highs, okay? For me, we've taken the all-time highs. I know it's different on some exchanges, but for me, we have, okay? And that's okay. That's given them, okay, we've gotten there. We've gotten everybody in retail to buy in probably here. Let's dump it on their ass and make them run so we can buy all their Bitcoin, right? So we'll wait for the narrative to play out this week and see what transpires so that we can put ourselves in a great position for the actual massive parabolic bull run that we're expecting after the halving. Okay, so this is a time to be grateful. It's a time to be like, okay, it happened, whatever. How can we reset and deploy capital accordingly to what conditions were given? Okay, so I'm going to go over Rune, then Bonk, Near, all that good stuff for you guys. Whew. Rune got slammed, okay? Rune got slammed. Let's organize this thing, man. It's always important to keep your charts organized, guys. Whew. What do we see? Massive, massive M pattern. Failure to get above previous highs. Big liquidity grab all the way back down to the bottom of the M pattern here. So we want to see price. Something like this, you can see the very exhaustion wicks at the top. Big bearish divergence, okay? This is aftermath, okay? So bullish environment, massive sell-off, okay? There's your bearish divergence on a daily term time frame. Very clear, okay? And you expect to come and retest the M pattern. So we talk about patterns sometimes here where you got the M, right? So if you drop below the double top, bearish divergence, you typically come back up to test the M before continuing downwards, okay? Before continuing downwards. You've broken structure here. You're now in a medium-term downtrend, large-term uptrend. You're not really bearish until you take out this low here, okay? So for Rune, medium-term downtrend, corrective to probably upwards action, but we're not going to assume anything. So what can we see on the 12-hour? We can see that lower low, lower low. Okay, so no bullish divergence. Massive wick, okay? Massive wick here, so we could look at pulling a fib for Rune and seeing if there is. Okay, 786 bounce. Yeah, that's cool. Didn't hit exactly where we wanted, but it has come back up. If it does start printing, closing around up top here, like it did over here, then I would suggest it's going to continue upwards, right? Because you can clearly see when we look at the defined range of Rune, we can see there's a range up here. I would say from like here to here. And then there's a mini range below us right here, right? So we got two ranges. So what we want to see is we'll put a horizontal here. We want to see it hold this area, right? We want to see it stay above and not fall into these depths, okay? Otherwise, you're looking to pull a volume profile here. And your key level of initial support is going to be this shelf and this shelf, okay? So those are your two key levels coming down on Rune, which is 4.90 and 4.45, right? Which are nice 6, 7. This is a 10% move, but it has clearly dumped a massive 31% today and the rest, right? So we'll get rid of these horizontal lines and we'll look at the grand scheme of things so we can see. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful level. Respected. $3.98. Welcome to the Otter Gang Muscle, the cut. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, my friend. Much love to you. We out here. The cut. The man, the myth, the legend, joining the Otter Gang. Thank you so much for being part of the community, man. Grateful to have you here. Hopefully we can help set you up for success and make some bank together. So we really want to see us get above this area at $5 and hold it as support. If not, we look to fall back down to these bearish levels and retest this point of control-ish area. So for me right now, we want to see that consolidation above $5 and trying to work price structure back up. Okay, right now it's looking no good, just like obviously Bitcoin and other things, right? But if we can hold here and start putting in some higher lows, that will be a good kind of signal to strength and a good signal to consolidate within this upper range, which does range between $5 and $6, okay? Surprisingly enough. And there's a little bit in between, obviously, because that is quite a big move, 20%. So thanks for being here, Cut. Now let's go over to our good old friend, Near. No, we said Bonk next. We got to do Bonk next. Huh. Bonk got bonked in the head? Is that like... Don't lie to me, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you felt the meme coin FOMO. Meme coin FOMO. Let me know if you felt the meme coin FOMO. Like you needed to all of a sudden buy a picture of a frog. Right? Do you guys feel that meme coin FOMO? And I want to know as well. I'm starting a poll right now. ADA, please, brother. Yeah, we'll go over ADA. No problem, Leverage God. We're starting a poll. What do you guys think? 70K or 40K? 70K or 40K? I want to know, guys, what you guys think is going to happen. We'll tell you the percentages. We were maybe I should have made it 50K. Let's say it's 50K, okay? Let's change that to 50K. 50K, okay? So 50 is a lot closer. 50 is 22% away, okay? 70 is only 13% away. Interesting. So Bonk, yeah, coming back to this range, retesting previous highs. Like, don't get too creative with the meme coins. Just understand that they fly when the narrative is speaking. Okay, coming back, retesting these highs. Bonk, I mean, down 70%. Down 70% from the highs it just made, right? So with anything memey, you want to be very careful, right? So retest to previous highs, okay? Narrative driven, guys. Solana, meme coins, I mean, very narrative driven, okay? So down, but not out, okay? Not out. Just shows you the narrative, right? It shows you the narrative. We all wanted to buy a picture of a frog. It's all, everybody wanted to buy a picture of a damn frog. Let's go buy some Pepe and some cock in you and some, guys, these things are down 30% now, right? I own Sneck, but I bought Sneck. Where did I buy Sneck? I bought Sneck down here. So I'm still in profit. Not as much as I used to be. There's a short trade. You mark it in on the break of the massive, yeah. So coming back, retesting these highs for Bonk, you want to see it consolidate within here, right? Otherwise, you got some with meme coins. It's support and resistance, man. Like you don't want to overcomplicate these things. You want to make sure that you're just keeping your eye on the prize, and that's to possibly buy these on spot, right? Possibly buy these on spot. I'm about to buy more SHIB on spot. Well, there you go, right? There you go. Because you guys have evidence of how these have moved, okay? Look at how these have moved, okay? No effing joke, okay? 3x'd. It's 3x'd. Since February 20th, it's 3x'd. Okay? It's crazy. So, you know these things can move. opportunities present themselves, we take advantage of them, right? We don't chase pumps, right? We don't chase pumps. We look for dips. So we let the dust settle on Bitcoin, and we look to accumulate, right? You put your money where your mouth is. It looks like we're still rolling over right now, in my opinion, on Bitcoin. Looks like it's still... It ain't done with us yet, man. You can track this momentum very easily, guys. So you just take your trend line, you drag it down like this. You got multiple touches, and you really want to see this break. I would say on like a 30-minute time frame where you want to see some bottoming forming. Right now, it doesn't look like it. You got the big wick. Maybe you get another one, and then a push back up for Bitcoin. But you really want to be able to take advantage of these. So with Bonk, same thing. Same thing. Is this a buying opportunity for Bonk? No, I do believe we can bleed a little bit more. Okay? Especially with memes and alts that are new. Right? This doesn't look like it's reversed yet. You can track that momentum to the downside. Same kind of deal, right? Same kind of deal. And you want to see this clearly broken, retested, and then you're looking to fire off a long. Okay? You're not looking for anything right now. You want dust to settle and structure to be formed and give yourself a better probabilistic trade. What's going on, Jow? What's up, gang? He says. What's going on, man? What's going on, man? Hope you're having a great day, guys. Okay, next we got UMA. UMA. Whew. So like the key thing is with these things is understanding where your levels are, right? So, yeah, okay. I believe I did some TA on this the other day. Just take a look at it, Alex. Okay? They just want you to look at it. From the start of the move to the top of the move. Okay, so we want to mark out that 786. And then the retest of the highs. And then the lows that we are going to have to retake in order to continue to be bullish is going to be actually that 6.5. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, let's pull some volume. We don't have much up here, so I'm just going to pull it from here. Your shelf of volume comes in right here. So when I say your shelf of volume, I always mean, where does this start? Okay, so you can see the volume profile. You get shelf, volume, shelf, right? Shelf. So you adjust this. And then I look at candle closes, okay? Candle closes. So we got shelf. So there's a line. Candle closes. I bring it up a little bit. Okay, candle closes, match up here. On the daily time frame, on a higher term time frame, right? Shelf, shelf. Well, I see closes up here, so I'm going to bring it closer to these ones here, right? And by doing that, I give myself a little bit of an edge. And that's how we get some really good trend lines here that actually do get respected, and we get a reaction on price. So going back over here, red dot curving down, VWAP very, very oversold. Okay, 12-hour, very identical. Okay, so you really want to reclaim this $3.82 here. That's going to be your big pappy, and then you want to see this beautiful 786 hold. Okay, that's going to be your range 786, and that's pretty nice that it comes in at a psychological $3. Right, you're right there, $3. So $3 is going to be your must hold to continue upwards. And I mean, overall, this isn't bad looking. This is still looking all right. Like it's some degen shit, but like, you know what I mean? Most things in crypto are, right? So you can see you're getting a little bit of a megaphone pattern here. And you want to see the breakout, the retest, and the continuation, right? So something like that. But those are your key levels. Make sure to use good risk management. What's going on, Crunk C? Jeanette? Philip, what's going on? What's going on? Make sure you always take profits. Don't go broke. B Team Crypto with the 1 membership gifted. Thank you so much, B Team Crypto. My guy. This guy's gonna be asking for some status. I think, you know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. B Team Crypto, you there? Let's do this. All right. B Team Crypto. Where are you here? Where's your dang name? It's 4 o'clock, guys. We getting everybody over. What's going on? Thank you so much, B Team Crypto, being a member of this Otter gang. We all here helping each other. Kindness and honesty is the #1 rule of this channel. We're here to help each other make bank. And B Team Crypto, man, you have been a real one for so long that we are going to make you a modder otter. Okay? Okay? Whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not. Let's cue the music and let's do the knighting ceremony. I will be right back. I'm going to go get the sword. Okay? I'm going to go get the sword for B Team Crypto. And we're going to play the music. Play that funky music, white boy. B Team Crypto, about to become a modder otter. I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. Building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB.
Mr. B Team Crypto, you have been amongst the otters for quite some time now. We are very proud and grateful for your kindness, your love and support. You continue to show up. You continue to contribute. You have been kind and nice and honest and helpful. You are part of the utterly fantastic community that we call the Otter Gang at Alexo Crypto. Now, we don't take modder ottership for granted. We know how much you are here. We appreciate you. You now have the ability to silence not only Dave Digital, but Mark Dutch. We love them too. But you guys cannot just silence each other all day long, okay? Now, I present. That was your right shoulder. That was your left shoulder. You may rise, a modder otter of the Otter Gang, Mr. B Team Crypto. Boom, 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 when the night boom, 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 and the lamps go boom, boom, and boom, boom, boom. It's only like we'll see boom, No, I won't be afraid. Yeah, let's go. I got to put the sword back. So I'll make you guys watch Bitcoin on the 5-second chart. You shall not pass. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. You must get above. You got to get above. We got to close up here, man. 63,200. Please close above. Thank you so much, B Team Crypto, for being part of the gang, man. You look good in blue. He does. Yeah, yeah. Much love to you, man. Much love to you. All right, we got some more alts to get through. We're going to go throw some alts in the chat if you're new or if you're coming through for the 4 o'clock live show that we do every single day. We started early, but we got Super and Caspa, and I didn't catch all the other ones that you requested from before. So Super, Caspa, Ada, and you guys let me know, okay? Super, Caspa, Ada. And we'll go through all those. So I'm going to do Super first, and then we'll do Caspa, and then Ada, okay? Superverse. Let's go, man. Superverse. You guys like your Super? Super's been around, too. So it has rebranded, which is cool to see. What do I typically look at this at? Normally on Bybit, but we can go Binance. I think Binance has more... I will always show up. Thank you so much, my man. I appreciate you, bro. We're still on the 5-second chart, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Let's go over and look at Super. Okay, big dip down, retested the previous high. Probably a this looks like a point of control, a naked point of control. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Naked point of control. Okay, NPOC right there. We'll just call it the POC because it's been touched now, but it came back down, touched the NPOC, bounced back up, got above these previous highs. Now it looks to continue upwards. Whew, nice bounce. We're withholding Mark's modership because he keeps fighting with Streamlabs. Bullish Bradley. This is the only channel that has Mark Dutch's wooden shoes as well, okay? Guys, let's see some Mark Dutch wooden shoes in the chat. Oh, man. Oh, man. Ada, WIF. Okay, thanks for getting me those alts. STX, Pepe, Yeah, he is always the mod. We only got his shoes here, man. We only need his shoes. We love Mr. Dutch himself, though. We love Mark. Mark's a great man. Always count on Mark for a good laugh. So yeah, V-shaped recovery looking like on Super here. Popping back up. We got good support down here on Super at $1.18. Okay, look at this bounce back. Okay, this very, very nice bounce back. Coming back, look at the consolidation we had from before. Okay, so for me, this is like, okay, lower low, higher high, bullish divergence looking to play to the upside, right? So overall, this is a nice move. It has recovered. So how do we get into a trade here? Well, I would go like on the 30. I would look for a retest of these lows and a continuation pattern, in my opinion. You can see it does tread quite slowly on all of these kind of runs, and then you get the big pumps, right? So for me, you've gotten the dump. You want to see it consolidate and then continue, right? Anything, I'd say, if it does get above this area here, so you can see the previous highs and the support and resistance of the previous range, right? So you mark out these levels in this sense. You got the highs and the lows of the previous range saying, hey, there's a lot of pressure here for us to get out of. So right now, any type of consolidation within here is going to be good, but we want to see it really push up, flip this to support, and continue up as well. Okay, so that's my thoughts for Super. Just be very cautious here with the bearish environment that we just experienced with Bitcoin. Okay, so if Bitcoin starts to run back up and starts printing higher highs and higher lows, okay, breaking out of this downtrend, right, we could be looking for higher prices. Okay, we want to see this close in the next hour, 2 hours. What do we got? 2 hours and 45 minutes above this level. This would mean we're not engulfing the previous daily candle. To me, that would signify that there's still hope for the bulls. Just a big liquidity sweep. Okay? Super looking good. Let's go over to our beautiful friend Caspa. Is it Caspa? Yeah, Caspa's next, okay? We bullish on Caspa. We extra bullish on Caspa. We know that the Piper Academy and a lot of our friends have been buying Caspa all the way down here where we were buying it and sub, okay? We were buying around 10 cents. I know people were buying around 4 cents, okay? We weren't that lucky, but we did buy around 10 cents, and we can see, whew, I gave buy levels, guys, and we got those buy levels. We came all the way back down to 11.5. Wow. So this is an important lesson on spot buying, okay? So if you have the patience, you can get some good prices, okay? I always say exposure, right? Exposure. Then buy levels, right? And by having those buy levels, you can set, let's say you had 10 grand here, right? 10. So you go exposure. Let's say you put in 2 grand. Then you put in 5. And then you put in the rest down here, right? And or 3, sorry. And then you put the rest down here, right? And then you get a better average price somewhere around here, let's say, right? You're not getting here, but you're getting at least, you're not worried about not being exposed in case you do pump up. You're not underexposed when you do come here. You average this out in between these two more to this downside, right? So your average is here. You buy in here, bringing your average down to here. Then you get another dip. You buy here. You bring your average somewhere around here, right? And by doing that, you average down and allowing yourselves for maximum exposure and gains in case you pump from here or here, so you're not getting the FOMO and then buying up here. Okay? That's very important to know. So Caspa, V-shaped recovery, same thing. Coming back up. Okay? Being bought up aggressively. Okay, you can see flag or above this. So where's our next key level of resistance? It's right here, 15.5. Okay, 15. Let's put a price tag on it. 15.5. Yeah, and then you have your consolidation zone right here that you would really want to see hold. Okay, this area here, this buy zone here, you want to see this area hold, and you want to see it flip the support and continue upwards, right? Key levels where you're looking to buy. Right now, dust is settling. Consolidation is your best friend. I'm too naughty. I wouldn't be a good mod, says Dallas. At least you're being honest, man. At least you're being honest. So with Caspa, yeah, we got this sell off here. There were some lines in the sand that were suggesting that we are getting a little bit of a rollover. However, you don't want to fight the bullish trend of Bitcoin, right? Looking at market cipher here, you're getting a lower low and a higher high, right? So this is just on the hourly, right? So you're getting that bearish divergence, the rollover, the big recovery, which suggests there's tons of buyers down here, right? A lot of people probably got liquidated, but this is still looking good here where you look to recover this area and work your way back up, okay? So for me, you wait for the dust to settle. You look for some sort of higher low now. So wherever this pumps to, right? If it pumps to 15.5, wherever we have marked out, you look to get into a shorter term time frame. Okay. We can go from here up to wherever we close. And you're looking for that fib. Okay, you're looking for that fib 786 golden pocket around there for a retracement and a continuation to the upside, okay? Oh, Shiba taking off. Is it now? Is it? Of course it is. Of course it is. Beautiful 28% recovery coming back up. Okay? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. Getting above. It's above, guys. It's pushing. Candle close. Look at this. Breaking out. Liquidity sweep, right? If we see this, it's a big liquidity sweep here. Getting that beautiful push back up, another 3% back up. I mean, we lost 10K today, guys. We dropped $10,000, okay? Massive. 14% move. Okay, so let's see if we can get above and stay above, at least for this daily candle close, which is in 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now let's get over to our friend WIF, whiff. You want to take a whiff of this dog? Because this dog is smelly, man. Some smelly dog. It is a smelly dog. All right, cooling off. Big sell-off as per usual. Across the board, we have this nice V-shaped recovery that we're getting now. Okay, coming back. You want to, with all these things that have dropped below key support, right? So this is how I would personally be looking to prepare for either it to push up, to hold, to get back within this range. Find a control, value area high. Okay, so now you've got some key levels. You want to see it flip it to support, right? So pushing back up, support, right? You're looking as it closes above here, let's say on the 15, right? Waiting for this candle close. We got 9 minutes left, right? Candle close above here. Look for it to close above. Look for it to come back and hold this as support. If it holds this as support, you can get into that long, right? If it fails to hold as support, you're looking for that higher low. How do you pull that higher low? You go from swing low to swing high. I'm not going to use that intense wick, so I would go from this wick here. Maybe we can get a smaller wick within this area. It's splitting of hairs. So we go from this one here, swing low to swing high, and then we're looking to target in this area here for a possible buy, okay? Just above your key level of support or whiff to the upside, okay? Nice move, though. Nice V-shaped recovery, baby. Let's go, Bitcoin. Get back up there, bud. Let's go. Nice recovery. Looking for Bitcoin. Okay, we want to stay above this. This is looking great. Sorry about that. Let's go over to ADA. Subtracta, multiplicationa, and divisiona. There's a whole bunch of ADAs. ADA, additiona. Oh, wow. What a sell-off on ADA, okay? So we lost this key area here, okay? 70 cents is crucial. There's a lot of volume within here that hasn't been taken up. There was no price action if we go back to our previous bear market dump. So we want to see it get back above here. We've held this as support. Now we have a little bit of resistance on our way. Our first level of resistance is going to be this 70 cent level. And then you can expect a quick move back up to 78 cents, okay? So your support's also at 64 cents. Nice V-shaped recovery, looking to push back up to the top, okay? So let's make sure that we're using good risk management. We're getting pushed back here. This isn't over yet, okay? This isn't over yet. It doesn't mean we can't roll over. Let's wait for the dust to settle and give ourselves better probabilistic trades where we can look to benefit from this dump, right? Where we can look to make some more money, okay? So ADA, 64 cents. Key resistance, 70 cents. Look for some chop within this area. Market cipher on the short-term time frames, 1 hour, VWAP crossover. Money's coming out, but it looks like it wants to come back in on market cipher as well. So hopefully ADA can continue to march to the upside after such a massive dump off on Bitcoin, okay? Let's go over to STX. STX, very similar. Wick down, putting in higher highs. You can see there is some resistance above us here. There's going to be resistance there. Let's go to the 4 hour. We were looking to buy down here. We did eventually get there. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense there. We'll get rid of that. We'll get rid of this. Let's pull the volume across for this entire range so we get a better idea here. We got 2 areas of volume. We can see clearly where our area is for us to get to higher prices. Okay, if not, we're chopping within this range here. So we have this level here, and then we have some key volume spikes as well. So this is going to be crucial here for us to stay above. Okay, and then we have, let's bring this up to these resistance here, and let's bring another one down to here. So this is going to be your main resistance at $2.82. You're around the middle of this range. You have great support down below you. So if you do drop back down, you could be looking for a possible buy around this area here, where you're looking to possibly get a nice retracement back into this zone, okay? Right now, V-shaped recovery. However, we haven't reclaimed this key level of resistance at $2.80. So for me, it's saying that we've dumped back down within this range. We chop within here before heading up higher, okay? It's been a very aggressive sell-off day where we've recovered, but we don't have full confirmation of an uptrend yet again. We have a V-shaped recovery, which can come back down and look to grab support before heading further up. It's not going to let everybody just FOMO and long down here and get away with it. It is going to correct in some form of another. So you got 281, you have 270, and then you have 252 as your key levels of support and resistance there as well, okay? So keep your eyes on the prize and make sure you're using good risk management, guys. Let's go over to Pepe. Pepe. All right, guys. Last but not least, Pepe. All right. Been leading these memes to the moon, right? It's been leading the memes to the moon. Sell off. Look at that. Holy shit, Batman. 43%. Okay, so Pepe, continuation. Look, you got a nice trend line here, actually. That's pretty funny that it's formed a nice trend line here. So look for a continuation along this trend line. Buy the dips down below on the trend line. You can see you've come back. You've retested the previous highs, which is good. You got this consolidation up top here. And then if you want to get technical, you can go within this area here, which is, you're not going to get a lot of data. No. So you want to be careful with this shit, man. This shit's like playing with dynamite, man. So Yep, a little bit of a sell-off here. You want to see it come back down, retest, and continue upwards, right? So you can get into like a 5-minute here, right? You can pull your swing low to swing high on your 5-minute. Swing low, swing high. If you're looking to buy the Pepe, you're looking right here, right? And that's in confluence with your upwards trend, right? So I target the 786. However many zeros, 57, okay? Let's just make it 0.0000058. How about that? All right. How about that? Pepe looking peppy. Let's go. Stoic Selfie says link. Okay, we'll do one more. We'll do one more. Cluck, cluck, motherfuckers. What's going on, Crypto Pollo? What's going on, man? Buy the dip, y'all. Yeah, so you can see structuring, nice bottom here. You got key support on link. You've come back up. This was our buy zone on link. Let's zoom out a little bit so we get a bigger, the big picture, right? So we had our buy zone and link. We dropped below that. That's okay. We know we have key support here at 17.5, okay? With link, it likes to build shelves. It likes to range. So where are we? We're at the bottom of the range. We buy down here, right? And we look for continuation upwards, right? So set yourself up for success. By doing this, you can look for a swing failure pattern down to the lower right here and a continuation upwards, okay? A little recovery of halfway of this candle, coming back down, looking for that long somewhere down here. You do have that 1812 as a key level of support where I'd be eyeballing some sort of long position, okay? Your key level of resistance to get back above is 1962, okay? A good year if you're an old granny. A good year if you liked probably LSD and partying back in the day in the 60s, okay? But it's all good. So we have gone through a lot of your stuff today, making sure that you guys are informed. We did an hour and a half today. Bitcoin needs to hold above 63,200, okay? Let's see if it can do so. Big sell-off, 10 grand sell-off today, guys. A wild one indeed. Guys, I've been doing the morning updates for you guys. The no updates as well. Our camera is not working. But that's okay. Let me go to this screen. Maybe it's working over here. I'm just ghosting you guys. I'm ghosting you guys. I got to buy a new USB thing.
On the counter, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada